Hi guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how to replace the air filter in this 1.4 petrol engine. It's quite straightforward. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to remove. So I'm just going to use my drill to assist me here. Obviously, if you want to use a screwdriver, that's absolutely fine. Once you've done that, then you can just lift it up and then it slides out at the back, like so. You can see there's the air filter, so we just lift it up. Have a look, see how dirty it is. It's actually quite clean. And then obviously you can see down this throttle body there. I'm just going to check to make sure there isn't any leaves or moisture in here that shouldn't be in there. And we can go ahead and put the new filter in. Okay, so with my new filter, just slide that into place. Just press it down, make sure the rubber seal is good all the way around. Just swing this back round. Just need to tuck the bits in at the back first. So then that closes down. Now just watch your screws are lined up. Now I'd certainly recommend, if you're not sure what you're doing, screw this back up with a screwdriver rather than a drill, because you don't want to over tighten these. So at least make sure that your drill is on the lowest, or one of the lower settings, as to not to over tighten it. And that's it guys, that's how we change the air filter. Okay, thanks for watching, take care. If you enjoy these videos, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, take care.